Get in that net. Give me some kind of unnecessary celebratory reaction.
Someone's ignoring defeat, but the taste of your poison is sweet, so sweet. You won't give up, and I won't up and go.
14 pounds and 6 ounces. So the first one of the session, kicking off, well held. £14 and 6 ounce. Very nice. Here we are again, second fish of the day.
About 15 and a half wraps. Just got back from the pub watching the United game, bit of something to eat. And literally 5-10 minutes in the water, straight off.